Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel HTN Maths Academy. Today we will solve this difficult problem by correct way. Most of the students solve this problem by wrong way. First solve this by wrong way. 24 divide 6 equal to 4. Divide 2 divide 2 equal to 1. Divide 1. Next step is 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. Divide 1. 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. But this is wrong. Now solve this by correct way. Use Pemdas rule. Pemdas rule from left to right. So first 24 divide 6 equal to 4. Divide 2. Divide 2. Divide 1. So 4 divide 2 equal to 2. Divide 2. Divide 1. 2 divide 2 equal to 1. Divide 1. So the resulting number is 1. So this is the correct way, the solution of this type question. Use Pemdas rule and solve this type problems. If you like this video, to share with friends, like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel HTN Maths Academy. Thank you.